Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to English grammar classes. And once again, here is Preeti Gupta, your English teacher from English faculty at Mount Literacy School, Jhansi. Now, today in this video, we are going to read lesson number 5 of your grammar book, that is Adjectives of Comparison. An adjective of quality changes its form when it is used to compare one noun with another. It means when a comparison is done. It is called the degree of comparison of an adjective. Now there are 3 degrees of comparison. What are they? The positive degree, the comparative degree, and the superlative degree. The positive degree is used to refer to one object, person, or place without making any comparison. Positive degree stands alone. It means no comparison is there. Now, let us understand it with example. In this picture, do you see a house? Yes, it is a beautiful and big also. So here you can see it is written, she has a big house. There is no comparison. Why? Because we cannot see another house there. So here, what is big? Big is positive degree of adjective. Let us have a look on another example. Sam's tree is tall. What is tall? Tall is positive degree. Why? Because without comparison it is. Now what is comparative adjective? Comparative adjective is used to compare two nouns. It means when a comparison is done between two nouns, it is known as comparative adjectives. Now have a look at this example. Mohan is taller than Rupa. Mohan is a boy, and yes, we can see he is taller than Rupa. So here what you see? The comparison between two children, a boy and a girl. And we have used the comparative degree. What? Taller. So what is taller? Comparative degree. Next example. Her house is bigger than my house. Again we are doing a comparison between two things. Between two houses. Her house and my house. And how we are comparing it? We are saying her house is bigger than my house. So what is bigger? Bigger is comparative degree. Now let us understand what is superlative adjective. Superlative adjective is used to compare 3 or more nouns. It means when a comparison was made between two, it was known as comparative. Now when a comparison is made between more than two things, it is known as superlative degree of adjective. Have a look at this example. Vidya is the tallest girl in her class. Can you see 3 girls are there? And 1 girl is tallest? Here the comparison is done between more than 2 girls. That is why tallest is superlative degree. His house is the biggest of all. In the picture you can see more than 2 houses. And which one is biggest? The left hand side is biggest. So here what is biggest? It is superlative degree. Now all the 3 degrees are here. The positive degree sentence, Sam's tree is tall. Comparative degree, Nikki's tree is taller than Sam's tree. Superlative degree, Ricky's tree is the tallest of the 3 trees. We use then after comparative adjectives to compare two similar things. Have a look on example. The blue coat is cheaper than the red coat. Comparison between two coats, and we have used then. Rajasthan is drier than Gujarat. Again the comparison between two places, and we have used then. The definite article the is used before the superlative adjectives. We use the. Have a look on example. The red coat is the most expensive of the three coats. Rajasthan is the driest place in India. Now let us know the rules for forming comparative and superlative adjectives. We add er and est to most one or two syllable words that end in consonants. Positive word dull. When changed to comparative, it will become duller, and when changed to superlative, it will become dullest. Next rule, when the positive ends in e, we add only r and st to the adjectives. The word large, when changed to comparative, it will become larger, and when it will change to superlative, it will become largest. Next rule, when the positive ends in consonant plus y, we drop the y and add IER and IEST. Here in the example you can see it is written lucky. When changed to comparative, y is dropped. We have added IER, and for the superlative degree, again y is dropped and we have added IEST, luckiest. When the positive is a word of one syllable that ends in vowel plus consonant, we double the ending consonant and then add ER and EST. Positive degree red, when changed to comparative, will become redder, and when changed to superlative degree, it will be changed to reddest. We have doubled the consonant and added ER and EST. Now when the positive is long, that is a word of two or more syllables, we add more and most before the adjectives to form comparative and superlative degree. Here you can see the positive degree is useful, two syllable. Now when we change it to comparative, it will become more useful, and superlative most useful. There are some adjectives that do not form the comparatives and superlatives form their positive. They have irregular degrees of comparison. Means there are no rules. Here you can see good, comparative is better, best, bad, worse, worst, many, more, most. Now let us solve the exercises from our textbook. Here in exercise 1, it is written, look at the tables and complete these sentences with the comparative or the superlative forms of adjectives in the bracket. Here you can see in the bracket the positive degree is given, and you have to fill in the blanks with the comparative and superlative degree. So exercise 1 is a homework for you. Now let us solve exercise number 2. Here it is saying complete these sentences with the comparative or superlative form of the adjectives in the bracket. The first one is done. My bag is bigger than yours. Why we have used bigger? Because you can see than is written, so we need to write down the comparative form of the word big. Next one, this flower is more beautiful than that one. Why we have used more? Because beautiful is of two syllable, and then is also used, so that is why we have used more. Next, this is the most interesting storybook I have ever read. Now interesting, again it is a word of more than one syllable and the has been used, that is why we have used the superlative degree. Now which is the largest mammal in the world? Why we have used largest? Because the is there. A chocolate is more expensive then a toffee. Here you can see the comparison between two things, chocolate and toffee. That is why we have written more expensive. The weather has changed from bad to worse. This kitten is the most playful of all, because here you can see the is there and we have to use the superlative degree. 8th, I have not seen anyone as helpful as her. Here we have used simile. After reading the sentences, you have to find out whether the comparison is done between two things or more than two things. Then only you can understand whether you have to change it to comparative or to superlative. Now here exercise number 3, it is saying tick the correct adjectives in these sentences. You will read the sentence, find it out whether the comparison is between two things or more than two things. Then you have to tick the correct answer. So exercise 3 and exercise number 4. The same thing, here it is also saying complete these sentences using the correct comparative or superlative forms of the adjectives in the bracket. So those who have got the kit will solve the exercises in the book, and those who have not got the kit will solve exercise number 2 in their notebook. Through the PDF, I will be sending the images.